me, Jade. Welcome back to another Japanese lesson. We're going to learn the next set of vocabulary that Genki presents us with, which are the majors in Japanese. So first up we have kagaku, science, kagaku, Asia Kenkyu, Asian studies, Asia Kenkyu. Kenkyu means research, so Asian research, Asian studies. Keizai, economics, keizai, kokusai kankei, international studies. Kokusai kankei, kokusai is international. Kankei means relationship, so it's literally international relations. Kokusai kankei. Computer, computer, computer. I'm guessing that must mean IT, right? Genki says computer, but I don't think anyone's major is computer. Brilliant. Next on the list, Jinruigaku, anthropology. Jinruigaku, Jin means person, people. Rui, I don't know what it is. Gaku means study. So the study of people, Jinruigaku, anthropology. Seiji, politics. Seiji, business. Business, business. Bungaku, literature. Bungaku. Bun is writing. Bungaku, the study of literature. Rekishi, history. Rekishi. That's the entire list that Genki provides us with, so I guess if you study something else, then you're not included in Genki, sorry. I studied languages, for example. I'm not included in Genki, so I know how you feel. To say foreign language, it would be Gaikokugo. Gai meaning outside, koku, country, go, language. Outside country language, Gaikokugo, foreign language. Sugaku, maths. Sugaku, chiri, geography, chiri. Ongaku, music. Ongaku, art, art. Art. Another word for art is bijutsu. Bijutsu. Gijutsu, technology. Gijutsu. You can also say technology. Technology. And yeah, I can't think of any more off the top of my head. So if you do want to find out what your major is in Japanese, drop it down in the comments below or just Google it. How can we actually use our study majors in a sentence that's useful? Let's practice with the previous Genki dialogue that we had. So, Senmon, major. Wa nan desu ka? What is? Okay. Senmon wa nan desu ka? What is your major? And then we can respond with our major, plus the word desu. So for example, sugaku desu, mathematics, politeness. Rekishi desu, history, politeness. Gaikokugo, foreign languages, desu, politeness. Okay? So, Senmon wa nan desu ka? Please comment below with your Senmon. What was your major of study? Don't forget to add desu at the end. You got this, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye guys! Mwah!